Hey guys, so today we are going to be testing out a exciting product. If you are a fan of like soap brows or just having a really good brow gel that really holds your eyebrows like nothing else, I have heard great things about this. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. This is the brow styling wax and I am so excited to use this. So if you know me, I really love soap brows. I really love when your eyebrows are like nicely trimmed and then you put them up with soap. It makes them look very full. And for me, I have never found a makeup product that holds it as good as soap. If you are new here, hello, my name is Josie. I put out new videos here on my channel every single week, and I try to upload semi-regularly on my personal channel, which is just called Josie K. I will link that down below as well. I hope you will subscribe and become part of the Glam Fam. We're a pretty awesome community here, very positive and supporting, and yeah, let's jump into this video. You get 8 grams or 0.28 ounces. It is good for 6 months. It has a very chic look to it, and when you open it you will see that I used it a little bit already, but I didn't do my full brow with it. But it is clear. It is completely clear and it actually, if you couldn't see my smudge marks, kind of looks like there's nothing in the container. So what we are supposed to do is put this onto a spoolie, which I have right here, and we're going to just fluff out our brows, press them down if we need to with the other side of the spoolie, and then fill them in wherever we would like to fill them in on top of the gel. Ooh. Hello. So here is the product close up, and then here is my spoolie. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to dab it in here, maybe swirl it a little bit. My cat just totally stole my brush off of my makeup counter. All right, so we have a good amount of product on this brush. And so now we're just going to go in and put it into our brow. So I'm gonna start in the beginning of my brow because that's where I really want it to, you know, be fluffy. So I really want to make sure that a lot of gel gets... Do you guys already see that? That's kind of oh my gosh. That is awesome. Oh my... Just gonna go ahead and get this in the rest of my brow. Just so you guys know, I would usually have to work my soap into my brow for way longer than this. And I do have a couple strands that I would like to just trim. Gonna go in just a little bit, just trim those up. Yeah, see, that is, oh my god, guys, that is nice. I honestly don't even need to go in with this side because it's staying so flat. Wow, that is very impressive. That is so impressive. And also when you're using soap, it sometimes leaves a weird residue on the top of your brows, so it kind of messes with your makeup underneath, and this is not doing that whatsoever. That is a beautiful brow, and that took 2 minutes, and I could probably do that a little bit faster if I wasn't talking. So we're just gonna get some more of the gel. Start on the other brow. And then work it through the whole brow. Oh my gosh. Are you guys seeing this? That is insanely good. This is so good. Okay, so let's see how product layers on top of it. So I usually use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow on my brows. This is just in dark brown, and just fill in a couple spots that need to be, you know, fuller. Usually around my arch. Right there, if you guys seen that. Okay, that layered pretty good. This may be my favorite brow product thus far. It's literally beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. Rest of my makeup is finished. And I will tell you right now, I have never felt like even with soap brows, I have never felt like my eyebrows aren't going to go anywhere anytime soon when they are this fluffy and pushed up. If you guys are not into the fluffy brow, that's totally fine. You can still use this brow gel. If you were to apply it just as a regular brow gel, it would be amazing, let me tell you. Honestly, I'm teetering back and forth from a 9 out of 10 to 10 out of 10 because it doesn't have an overpowering smell. It's clear, it's not colored. It didn't leave any weird residue on my skin or my brows after it dried, and it's easy to work with. And you can apply it with pretty much any spoolie. And you can get these on Amazon for like $5. Like multiple of them. So, is this worth it? Yes. I urge you to go buy it if you need a good, strong brow gel. It's amazing. Holy crap. Alright, but other than that, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like it down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye! Mwah.